Subscribe to my channel.
Okay, welcome guys, this is codewithtec, and I once again welcome you people to this our beautiful channel. Please, if this is your first time on this channel, please guys subscribe, please subscribe, so that you can be notified whenever we upload any new video. Okay, please guys, if you have any other topic in mind that you want us to cover, you can drop it into the comment section, and as you're watching the video, you have any doubt, please, you can drop it into the comment section. Do not forget, we would like for you guys to drop your country into the comment section so that we can send you people shout out as we continue to make lots of good and educative videos on this channel. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe. This is codewithtec. Today we are going to be looking at another topic in CSS called media query, and under media query we are going to be talking about responsive text size. All right, we're going to be working with responsive text size. So the responsive text size we're going to be working with today, we'll be looking at this responsive heading. All right, now with the responsive heading, I'm just going to start it out and see how best I can apply media query to it, so that we can see how it works with text as well. In our last video, we just used media query on the background color of our work. Okay, so for this, we're going to get each one here first, and then we start here. We say the font size should be 40 pixels. Good. Now we get out of this. The next thing we want to do here, we want to come down and apply media query to this. Now if I come here and say add media, all right, the next thing to state is the condition. All right, we state the condition. We say the maximum width of this should be 768 pixel. All right, 768 pixel. Whenever we reach at 768 pixel, this our CSS rule should be applied to each one. Good. Now the rule will need to be applied. We say the font size should be 30 pixel. Okay, now that's just the first stage of it. Now if I open this into the browser, voila, we have this already into the browser. I can inspect my page by right clicking, coming down to inspect. Now I'm using Chrome browser. As I start to reduce this, when I hit 768, you'll find out that the size of the text will drop. Okay, you'll find out that the size of the text will drop, as you can see. Okay, so we want to drop it once more to another level. All right, so we want to create another media query. I want to create another media query. And we want to say for the maximum width, we want to use at the maximum width of 480. Yes, 480. We want to apply this CSS rule to it. Now for each one, I want to apply this rule to it. We say the font size should be 20 pixel. Now we are just dropped from the first thing. Now we are into 20 pixel. Okay, now after saving this, we want to come right back here, refresh it. Okay, we can open this up and see it. If I start to reduce it, it drop. As I keep carrying on, once we getting full something, it's going to drop again. All right, as you can see, now we are dropping. Okay, once we getting full something, it drop once more. Okay, cool. So if you are not seeing the changes that is being applied to the work, all right, please they'll try to notice the changes. All right, if we take this, it drop, as we can see. That's it. All right, please let us try to notice every single changes that our work is undergoing. Okay, it is very important. Now another thing here, we want to put 480 pixel here so that our changes can be effective. All right, refresh this, come here, drop it, it drop once more. Now it is now the text size is dropping now 3 different times. Good, it drop again. We open it now. Okay, now another thing I want to do in the video, okay, it was not part of what we say, like I always say to my audience. All right, these things, they are petty things when it comes to programming. So there are things that we come up and teach them. All right, we don't need to write down scripts for them, we don't need to write down notes for them. We come out and then teach them, and then give you people the best example that we think will help you out in the process. So there are another thing to this quickly. Now in the default area here, we want to give our text color. Now for the color of the text, we want it to be orange. All right, we save it. Now we can come down here in the same place, we say color. Now you not just a single or property you can add here. All right, you can add so many property here as well. We come down here, we change it to blue. We can come down to the next place, we change it. Okay, we have blue, red, and orange here. Now if I come back here, refresh this, we have orange text color here, and each time it drop, the color going to change. That way you'll be able to notice it. Now it have dropped, the color have changed to red. Now if it drop once more, the color will change. Now it have dropped again, the color have changed to blue. Okay, so guys, I hope that we have learned something from this. This is our code, you can just walk through it as well. I hope we have learned something from this. So guys, thank you very much for sticking around. This is Code with Tech, and I hope that we are learning. Okay, please feel free to comment out your country where you are watching me from, so that I can be able to send you shout out on the next video. Just comment your country, okay, and where you are watching from. All right, your name and your country, that way I'll be able to send you shout out on the next video. Thank you very much guys for staying around. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe, that's our little secret. Please subscribe. See you guys in the next video.
Subscribe to my channel.